Do you want to know how you can get more requests on ChatGPT? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get more requests on ChatGPT. Open Chrome OS browser, then open chatgpt.com. What you need to do is click on this setting option which is on the top left hand or top right hand corner of your screen, and then go to settings. After you go to settings, click on cookies and site permissions. Then what you need to do is click on manage and delete cookies and site data. If you scroll a bit down, you can see that there are options of cookies which you can edit or the permissions which you can edit too. For now, we can go to manage and delete cookies data. Now what you need to do is scroll a bit down and you can find the data over here. So if you click see all cookies and data, you can see this page load up. Go ahead and click on the search bar, search for open, and you can see ChatGPT. Go ahead and click on it and you can see these are the app datas. Click on this delete button and delete everything you see. So after you delete everything, you can see OpenAI. Go ahead and enable it and you can see there are some cookies over here as well. You need to delete these as well, guys. So go ahead and delete everything related to ChatGPT or OpenAI. So after you delete it, go ahead back to ChatGPT, reload the page, and you can see that you are logged out of your account. So go ahead and click login, which is on the bottom left hand side. Go ahead and log into your account. You can use your Google account or any of your accounts such as your LinkedIn or your email address. And this way you will get more requests on ChatGPT. I hope this video about how you can get more requests on ChatGPT was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.